Welcome back. I wanted to show you guys this purchase I made. I bought a sleeping pad. Let's open it up. All right, let's get into it. There it is, Winterlight from Amok. 830 grams, minus 18. It goes down to minus 18. It's like it could take minus 18 Celsius. So I should be good. So it comes with a stuff sack. And I believe, yeah, you get these as well. In case you pierce it, you know, you can fix it yourself. Patches. They're nicely tucked in there so you don't lose them also. They're like in the bag. I'm not gonna open it now. I will inflate it and then I will show you guys.